Okay, this Just Techniques video is about getting your client's shoulders to drop. These techniques are perfect if your client does not like deep tissue or you as a therapist are just not comfortable doing them. This is a slight variation from the first technique. Make sure you lift and rotate the shoulder blade. Notice the top hand is different from the first technique. Here is the third technique, and if you use your body weight properly, you will conserve energy. This is just a simple depression of the shoulder. This technique number 4 is very similar to technique number 2, except I have more of the client's arm on my forearm and I'm going to move the shoulder and the arm a little bit more.